Hi everyone, welcome to the Touch to Click channel. Today in this video we'll show you how to lower pattern volume in FL Studio so you can keep your mix balanced and sounding clean. Now let's get started. Step 1. First open FL Studio on your computer and open its piano roll by right-clicking the channel and selecting piano roll beside the pattern. 1. Load the piano sting where you want to adjust the pattern volume. Make sure the pattern you want to edit is selected in the channel rack or playlist so you're working on the correct sound. Step 2. At the bottom of the piano roll window you'll see the velocity control, which affects how loud each note plays. Step 3. Lower the overall pattern volume by dragging the velocity slider downward. This reduces the strength of the notes in the pattern and helps control volume without changing the mixer levels. Step 4. For more precise control, route the channel rack. Use the volume fader to fine-tune how loud the pattern sounds in your overall mix. Step 5. Again select the piano roll and tap the spacebar from the keyboard to run the piano track. Again tap the spacebar from the keyboard to finish the track. You have successfully done lower pattern volume in FL Studio so you can keep your mix balanced. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful FL Studio and music production tutorials.